Gates open, they're up and racing. La Furia Roja draws for your lead. Moving up, Yona mismo. AJ Special Born Tycoon is racing in fourth. Is Tareliza, and the song is running at the tail of the field as they move towards the last 900 with La Furia Roja enjoying a 3 lengths lead. AJ Special Born Tycoon now moving up to take second from the outside. Racing in fourth, Yona mismo, Stareliza, and the song as they rounded the last 600 with La Furia Roja. Born Tycoon now threatening danger on the outside as they race to the last 450 with Born Tycoon moves up to take the lead from the outside. La Furia Roja drops back in second. AJ Special in third, moving up by the rail. Stareliza with 200 to go. Born Tycoon now by about 3 lengths. La Furia Roja once again on the outside. Born Tycoon, La Furia Roja fighting back on the outside, leveling up and leading the finish line. La Furia Roja wins this race over Born Tycoon. AJ Special, Stareliza, Yona mismo, and the Here Song comes in last.
Okay, 7-6-4 to